I think this summer though I'm gonna be filming every day, unless I'm sick or I have plans, which doesn't happen much. I got nothing else better to do. Man, I'm telling you though. Oh, you live in Westworth? Yeah, I mean, in technical things, it's not that far away, but it still is far away. Can you just send the scanner in Discord, a picture of the scanner in Discord, and whenever I get off the stream, I'll check it for you and let you know if it's a good scanner or not. And then if it's not, I'll go and search for one for you and let you know which one's good, and I'll send you links. That sounds good. Okay, yeah, I'll check it when we're done with the stream. Where'd my man Collie go? Or Callie. I'm gonna call you Collie from now on. Callie. Whatever. I call you Train Boy because it's a shortened name. If you want me to call you Train Boy 2011, I will call you that. Just let me know. I'll call you it if that's what you like. No problem. I just like to abbreviate stuff. So like Railfan Christian, I call him just Christian. And I know his real name, but I don't like to share that stuff unless they're okay with it. Oh, guys, we have a train. We have a train. Boys, we have a train. Train coming. I told you, from Roanoke. I don't know if you can see those lights or not, but we got a train coming. Okay, I'm gonna get down from here, but oh, it's coming, boys. It's coming. It's coming. Saw the headlight pop over. Ooh, Florida. I actually like Florida. All right, but we got a train coming. We got more important things to do right now. Oof. Okay. The waiting was worth it. I can hear it. Oh, let me get up on this hill. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but oh, let's see if I can. Ooh. Okay. What are the coincidences? I hear it. Signals haven't gone down yet. Can I zoom in? Oh my gosh, I can zoom in. This is a game changer. I hear it. See? Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see those lights coming. Is that a Union Pacific? Oh no, that's the BNSF. Y'all, I think this is the BNSF. Okay, he's booking it. I'm gonna get him to honk, or at least try to. Here it comes. Oh, you can hear the tracks good. Yeah, it's probably pretty quiet. Hey, well that was a little treat, a BNSF with the Ferromex on it. That's probably, I'm gonna post that on my main channel probably. I'll probably take a clip out of it. So what I'm talking about, boys. Save highlight.